Hello friend, it's digraph day. 2 letters, 1 sound. It's time to play. Alright friend, today we are thinking about a new digraph. Letter T and H together make the sound. We pull out our tongue and bite the tip of it a little bit like this. Like in think, like in thumb, like in thank you. Okay, so T and H make the sound, but T and H also make the sound. We pull out our tongue and gently bite a big chunk of it like this, like in them, like in then, like in that. Okay, all right, so every time you see T and H, you need to check, is it making or let's practice both. First we are going to do the my turn, your turn. My turn, your turn. Good job. My turn, your turn. Excellent. Now let's do the my turn, your turn. Good job. My turn, your turn. Excellent. All right, let's have a go at writing or sound in our book. Okay, you are going to alternate. Alternate means you're going to switch. First you write and say TH says, then you write TH says, TH says, TH says, like that until when you get to the end of this line. Okay, have a go at doing that. Pause the video. Okay, my friend, now we are going to have a go at reading words having all the sound in them. Okay, I have a word here. Okay, sounding out, your turn. Use the let's go. Blend the slow way, faster way. Have you read it? Oh, well done. Let's work it out together. We are going to use the version, okay? The sound. Let's go. In. Let's blend the slow way. Thin. Faster way. Thin. Those sticks are thin. Those sticks are thin. Excellent. Let's have a go with another one. This one is saying okay, I am going to point and you're going to sound out. Let's go. Now blend the slow way, faster way. Amazing. Good job. Which one have you read? Excellent. Let's work it out together with me. Sounding out. Now let's blend the slow way together. Them. Faster way. Them. What's the word? Them. He would like to join them. I wonder, will they let him? They let him? I don't know. Okay, now here is the big question, friend. How do you tell if T and H is making or V in a word? There is no trick around that. All you have to do is to check both sounds. You try the th and the th, and then check which one sounds familiar or which one makes more sense. Of course, sometimes we get it wrong, but that's the only trick, okay? To try both of them, chances are high that you'll figure out the one that sounds familiar. All right? Okay. Now, pause the video to have a go at your reading task, because in your workbook you have a job to do, a reading job to do. You have these words to sound out, okay? And then you have these letters to sound out, and then blend them together to read the words. In, thin, like that, okay? Pause the video and have a go at your reading task. Okay, my friend, our next task is to spell and write words having all the sound in them, okay? We need our counting objects. First, we are going to name the picture. What is this? What is the boy doing? Yes, he is thinking. We can see the thinking sparks on top of his head. So for this picture, we are going to say think. Think. Excellent. Now let's count the sounds we hear in the word think. Are you ready with your counters? Let's go. First sound, next sound, E. Next sound, unk. Unk is a glued sound. Unk. All right. Okay. Let's have a go at spelling or writing these letter sounds down. Okay. Let's go. What's the first sound we hear? Which two letters make the sound? We know that, Miss Anita, it's T and H. What's the next sound? Let's check. E. We hear the short E sound. Okay, we'll write it down. What's the ending sound? E. Unk. Unk. So N and K are glued together, like they are attached together to make the unk sound. Okay? Ink. Think. We have just spelled the word think. Amazing. Now, in your workbook, you have a spelling activity to do. Let me see. Which words do you have? You have math, you have bath, you have think, thumb, and moth. Let's pretend I am going to write the word math. I am going to start with counting the sounds. What's the first sound I hear? Mm. Next sound, ah. Ending sound, amazing. How many sounds are those? 3 sounds. Now, I have written each sound on its line. Okay? After that, I wrote the word again without having breaks in between. And you're going to do the same. Okay? Ask an adult to take a short video of you working out your words, counting the sounds you hear in the words, and writing them down in your workbook. I'd love to see how hard you work from home. If they are feeling happy, they can let me share that short clip on our TikTok page so that other children can see how hard you work on your reading skills. Alright, pause the video and have a go at your spelling task. Once you're done, keep your workbook in a safe place because I have to see you tomorrow for another spelling session. Bye!